Hello viewers, last week on Tuesday, Microsoft officially ended support for Windows 10 to receive its final security update. During that time, I will leave a link to the video about Windows 10 end of support in the end screen if you want to watch it. As we are getting closer to the end of support, I noticed many comments and posts mentioning that if your computer does not meet the requirement for Windows 11, mainly the TPM 2.0 and CPU restriction, one of the best option is to install Linux instead. You can easily set up a Linux operating system on your still perfectly working computer, which Microsoft says is not compatible with Windows 11. Of course, these hardware requirements have made many people frustrated, and I often see users saying they are switching to Linux. Popular Linux versions like Linux Mint, Linux Lite, and Zorin OS are often recommended because they look and feel similar to Windows 10. For example, if you look at Zorin OS, you will see a design very close to Windows 10, with a similar system tray, left elegant start button, and apps pane to the taskbar. The file manager also looks quite like Windows File Explorer. Interestingly, the company behind Zorin OS released Zorin OS 18 on the exact same day Microsoft ended support for Windows 10, October 14. That was a very smart marketing move, and it seems to have worked because many Windows 10 users with good working PC prefer switching to Linux rather than throwing away a capable computer or spending money on a new one. After the launch, the Zorin team shared that Zorin OS 18 reached 100k downloads in just over 2 days, with about 72% of those downloads coming from Windows users. This shows that many people are genuinely looking for alternatives to big tech operating system. Even though that number is small compared to all Windows users, it's still a strong result. According to the OMG Ubuntu, we can thank Microsoft for making free software feel less like a ideological choice and more like a practical one. Do you agree? Do you think the end of Windows 10 will bring more people to Linux and increase its market share over time? Share your thoughts below. I would love to know whether user will continue using system like Zorin OS, Linux Mint, Linux Lite or Ubuntu as long-term alternatives, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.